In this video, we will learn about another technique of scientific management, that is method study. When we studied about scientific management, we discussed that Taylor always focused on working scientifically. He was a great lover of method study style of working. As per this technique, he always suggested that if you are running a manufacturing unit, then every activity, starting from the procurement of raw materials till the finished goods reaches the customer, every activity can be well planned in a scientific manner. By scientific manner, we mean that such a way of doing a work which is the best and which can be performed efficiently in an organization. Since the resources always seem to be limited, the best thing you can do is use them efficiently. For this reason, every factory manager must deeply analyze the perfect method for doing a job. Then this method needs to be followed by the workers who are actually performing the job. Let me give you some examples. Whenever you need to make your limited space of a room look larger, the best method is using light colors on the wall and creating an illusion of space by placing a mirror. Even this activity has a deep science behind it. Similarly, Taylor invented the science of assembly line production in a manufacturing unit. अब ये समझते हैं असेंबली लाइन प्रोडक्शन क्या होता है। जो प्रोडक्ट्स असेंबलिंग करके बनते हैं, मतलब अलग अलग पार्ट्स को एक साथ जॉइन करके बनते हैं, ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स में ये टेक्निक अप्लाई होती है। इसमें क्या होगा कि अलग अलग कंपोनेंट्स प्लांट के अलग अलग एरिया में बन रहे होंगे, जिसे वर्क स्टेशंस बोल देते हैं। देन प्लांट का लेआउट इस तरीके से प्लान हुआ रहता है कि सारे पार्ट इस तरह से जुड़ जाएंगे कि एंड तक आते आते वो एक कंप्लीट प्रोडक्ट बन जाएगा। ये टेक्निक बेसिकली ऑटोमोबाइल्स बनाने में यूज़ होती है एंड सबसे पहले फोर्ड मोटर्स ने इस असेंबली लाइन प्रोडक्शन को स्टार्ट किया था। लाइक यू कैन सी इन द इमेजेस हाउ द पार्ट्स आर गेटिंग completed at each step and then finally we will get a finished product. Likewise, when the finished goods are packed or loaded in a vehicle for transportation, all such activities can also have perfect methods by which one can achieve good results.